Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sylvie Shehrani with last study number 0047. Okay, I want to present my research proposal entitled Analysis of English Teachers' Digital Literacy in Teaching English Using Digital Media at MTSN 1 Pariaman. Background of the problem. Digital literacy is essential in English language teaching as it helps teachers use technology effectively. However, many teachers have not been able to apply their digital knowledge to its full potential in the classroom. In Indonesia, challenges such as unstable internet connection, lack of training, and limited infrastructure are still obstacles. Research also shows that the teachers' digital literacy level are still moderate. Therefore, this study aims to analyze teachers' level of digital literacy and the challenges they face in using digital media when teaching. Focus of the problem, teachers' digital literacy is considered an important competency in 21st century education, especially in the integration of digital media in the classroom. MTSN 1 Pariaman was the subject of this study. This research focused on the level of digital literacy of English teachers and the challenges they face when implementing digital media in teaching. My research proposal have two formulations of the problem. There are how is the level digital literacy of English teachers in teaching English using digital media at MTSN 1 Pariaman, and what are the challenges faced by English teachers in implementing digital media during English language teaching at MTSN 1 Pariaman. Objective of this research, number one, to analyze the level digital literacy of English teachers in teaching English using digital media at MTSN 1 Pariaman, and also to identify the challenges faced by English teachers in implementing digital media during English language teaching at MTSN 1 Pariaman. Significances of the research in theoretically can be used as a references for future study related to digital literacy and language teaching, and in the practically for teachers can serve as a guideline or references to improve the digital literacy skill, also encourage the integration of digital media in English language teaching effectively. For students, it can indirect benefit them by improving the quality of teaching they receive, which can lead to be better engagement and understanding in learning. For school administrators, it can be used to design relevant training or workshops to support teachers' digital literacy. And the last, for other researchers, this research provides data and a perspective that can be further developed in the future digital literacy research. Review of related literature. Digital literacy. Digital literacy is a person's ability to access, understand, assess, and use information through digital technology effectively and responsibly. According to UNESCO and NG, digital literacy includes not only technical skills but also critical, creative, and collaboration thinking, as well as cognitive and socio-emotional aspects. Haju and Payton mention 8 important components of digital literacy. There are creativity, critical thinking, cultural and social understanding, collaboration, information, effective communication, digital safety, and function skill. Meanwhile, Belshaw added 8 other interrelated aspects of digital literacy. There are cultural, cognitive, constructive, communicative, confident, creative, critical, and civic. Digital media in English language teaching. Digital media in education refer to technology-based tools or platform used to support the learning process. According to Riri Okra, digital learning media can be divided as any physical communication device, includes software and hardware used in the learning process. The benefits of using digital media are considerable. It can increase student motivation, support independent and collaboration learning, aid the development of language skills, and also strengthen student digital literacy. However, there are some challenges in implementation. Some schools still face infrastructure limitations, lack of teachers training, and a curriculum that does not fully support the integration of technology learning. Relevant study on my research. First, research by Al-Sari entitled Teachers' Challenges and Strategy in Using Digital Media in Teaching English found that English teachers realized the importance of using digital media to improve student engagement and learning outcomes. However, they still face a number of challenges such as a lack of adequate training, limited researchers, and resistance to change in the use of technology in the classroom. The second, research by Rahman and Sari with the title Digital Literacy Based Instruction in Teaching English in EFL Classroom, shows that the applications of digital literacy in teaching English is able to create a more interactive and interesting learning environment. The use of various digital tools and media directly has a positive impact on improving students' language skills, especially in the aspect of reading and writing. Third, research by Hanan et al. Entitled Digital Literacy Levels of English Teachers in Indonesia revealed that English teachers in Indonesia generally have a moderate level of digital literacy. They are able to use digital tools and understand the purpose, but have not fully integrated these skills into their daily teaching practice effectively. So, ongoing training and support is still needed. And the last, research by Maharani et al. With title Smart Society 5.0 Teachers Digital Literacy Within English Language Teaching found that the digital literacy level of English teachers was in the good category. The study also noted the female teachers perform higher than males in the four dimensions of digital literacy, and that positive perception of the importance of digital literacy strongly influence its application in English language learning process. For conceptual framework, you can see this chart. The first step, the process teaching and learning English. Next, observation of implementation digital literacy in teaching English using digital media. And next, collect observations. Next, researchers interview and English teachers, and also collecting and analysis documentation. And next step, finding and discussion. Last step, conclusion. In my research, I use descriptive qualitative research, the millennial English teacher at MTSN 1 Pariaman as a subject, technique of data collection from observation, interview, and documentation, and the last data analysis based on Miles and Haberman, data condensation, data display, and drawing conclusion.